Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about loggers. How we can able to provide loggers. Loggers is basically whenever we running for script and in case if you are not getting some response, proper error message, if you are not able to identify some failure happening but you don't know where it is failing, that moment this logger can help you by step, we can able to use step by step and we can able to use, that is the one case script place. Okay, and another one is ci cd process. When you integrated in Jenkins and all, that moment also it will help you where it is failing, how it is failing. To tracking purpose, this logos can help you for step by step. And logos is basically a Python inside the building happen, like inside that Python only having a logging framework and no need to do for another installation and all, like Java and some other frameworks they are using to use external logs, right? For this Python it's not required, it's a inbuilt, it is provided, you have to import logging. This is the this is a name we need to import, it will import for all the names. And even we can able to use, there are couple of things to uses, one is info, another one is error and critical and debug and warning. We can able to use these five conditions and we can able to use it our required things wherever we want this particular information, we can able to use it these names. Okay, by default this Python using for info is the one, is the inbuilt one. Okay, and even we can able to, whenever we running the file, we can able to skip particular log and we can able to use log levels. Okay, anything we can able to use, skip or hyphen log level, any one we can able to use and we can able to run our finding purpose. If you want to use a particular file things, then we can able to use hyphen log level and we can able to provide the file location. Okay, we will see in that next couple of minutes you can able to find everything. Okay, now I'm going to run this particular one into a log file place. Okay, these are my cases and I'm going to importing for my logs. Import logging is the one, I'm going to importing the name. Okay, I want to see the file, the response, if success is happen we can able to use it here for, right, a logging dot info. In this we can able to use some argues or you can able to provide some messages pass, or else you can able to pass for response code, which is the response is coming, that response you can able to pass and we can able to see. And a failure if it is happening means again we can able to use logging dot error and even you can able to pass some value here, fail. Anything you can based upon your convenient you can able to pass any name. I used for pass or fail only. Okay, you can able to pass in whatever the requirement you have, based upon that you can able to pass it. Once it is done, then you can able to come to here. I'm going to use for logger.py space hyphen log file, because log file is basically to location where we need to storing purpose, log file we need to provide. I'm going to use for logging is the folder and I'm going to use for log logs dot log is the file to logging the file. Okay, and hyphen handles only summary -u1 -r1 -t 60 seconds. Now it will hit and it will provide for logs. What other than unable to find the file? Okay. What happened? File it is not able to find. Okay, folder it is not able to find. But if it is not there means it will. Okay, we'll create one file. It is not able to file it. Okay, logging is the directory. Will keep it here. Or else we can able to without logging we can able to keep log files only, or else whenever we provide by default it will search for the files whether it is presented or not. Otherwise it will not present means it should create, but it is not creating right now. I'll check this one and I'll update in the comment also why it is not taking. So by default you should create. If it is not create means we can able to provide some file directory also. It's okay. Okay, it is loaded, but I forgot to say that server at all. It is keep on response is 200, right? And now I'm going to stop here, and we can see here whether it is logged or not. See now log files are there. Logs dot log file it is passing. It is every time it is passing and it giving you how many things are presented, right? And even log starts and everything it is there in this location. You can able to see step by step, one by one, all the values, what are the things we executed, everything it will provide here. Okay, this is all about for log file information. I hope you understand the log. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.